What's up, guys? So I'm in the car, I'm at the grocery store. I just did a video on the Sprite Chill, but while I was at the grocery store, I saw they have a new flavor of Liquid Death, which is Cherry Obituary. Interesting. So I want to try it here for you guys. I like Liquid Death, but it's way overpriced. It's just seltzer. You know, you can get cheap brand seltzer that tastes pretty darn good for like, you know, $1 for a much larger container. But I have to say, I am definitely sold on the marketing, the whole Liquid Death, the cool cans. That's what made me originally try this in the first place. If this was called Pretty Butterfly, I never would know what it tastes like because I wouldn't care. But they're like, yeah, murder thirst. So it's like on the same level as, you know, F cancer. You know, it's like, yeah, who's gonna argue with that, right? So yes, kill thirst. Let's see what this tastes like though. Cherry Obituary. Interesting. I do like their iced teas as well, but I try to drink seltzer. This one actually has 20 calories. It's probably why it's tasty instead of being, you know, zero. Most seltzers are 0 calories. So wow, strong cherry scent. Smells promising. Cheers. Yeah, that's good. I like it. Definitely just cherry forward. It kind of tastes like black cherry. And it's seltzer. If you don't like seltzer, you probably wouldn't like it. But if you do drink seltzer and you like cherry seltzer and you just want to drink it out of a cool can, this would be what you get. I was suckered into it this time. It's not something I drink regularly. Like I said, I got a case of it, which you probably see that in the back seat there. But normally I would not. I would just get like a single once in a blue moon. But anyway, I do like it. It's very good. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of this can. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.